In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how you can effectively track your digital product income within QuickBooks. We'll break down the essential steps, explore different methods, and equip you with the knowledge to take control of your digital finances. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just starting out, this guide will provide you with actionable strategies to streamline your income tracking and gain valuable insights into your business performance. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why this is so important. Accurately tracking your digital product income in QuickBooks isn't just about knowing how much money you're making. It's about understanding profitability. By tracking income and associated expenses, which we'll touch on briefly, you can determine the true profitability of each of your digital products. Which ones are the real winners? Which ones might need some tweaking or even retiring? Making informed decisions. With clear financial data at your fingertips, you can make smarter decisions about pricing, marketing, and future product development. Should you invest more in promoting your top-selling ebook? Is it time to create a follow-up course to your popular beginner's guide? Simplifying tax time. Come tax season, having your income meticulously organized in QuickBooks will save you countless hours and reduce the stress of scrambling to gather financial information. Measuring business growth. Consistent and accurate tracking allows you to monitor your business growth over time, identify trends, and celebrate your successes. So, how do we actually do this in QuickBooks? There are a few effective methods, and the best approach for you will depend on the volume of your sales and the platforms you use. Let's explore some key strategies. 1. Setting up your chart of accounts. The foundation of accurate tracking lies in your chart of accounts. This is essentially a list of all the financial accounts your business uses. You'll want to ensure you have specific income accounts dedicated to your digital products. Instead of just a generic sales income account, consider creating sub-accounts like digital product sales ebooks, digital product sales online courses, digital product sales templates, digital product sales memberships. This level of detail allows you to easily see the revenue generated by each product type. To create new accounts, navigate to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks and click New. Choose Income as the account type and then select the appropriate detail type. Give it a clear and descriptive name. 2. Connecting sales platforms where possible. QuickBooks Online offers integrations with various e-commerce platforms and payment processors. If your sales come through platforms like Shopify, Stripe, PayPal, or others, connecting these directly to QuickBooks can automate the income recording process. This can save you significant time and reduce the risk of manual data entry errors. Explore the Apps section in QuickBooks Online to see if your sales platforms offer direct integrations. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your accounts. Transactions will then automatically flow into QuickBooks, often categorized based on your initial setup. 3. Manual entry for non-integrated platforms. If your sales platform doesn't offer a direct QuickBooks integration, or if you prefer a more manual approach, you can still easily record your income. Here are a couple of ways to do it. Sales receipts. For individual sales, you can create sales receipts in QuickBooks. This is particularly useful if you're selling directly from your website and processing payments through a gateway that doesn't integrate. You'll enter the customer information, optional, the date of the sale, the digital product sold, which you'll set up as a service item, more on that next, the quantity, and the price. Bank deposits. If you receive batched payments from a platform, e.g., weekly payouts from a marketplace, you can record these as bank deposits in QuickBooks. Be sure to allocate the deposit to the appropriate digital product income accounts. You might need to create a summary of your sales from the platform to accurately categorize the income. 4. Setting up service items for your digital products. To accurately track which products are selling, you'll want to set them up as service items in QuickBooks. Think of these as the individual products you offer. When you create a sales receipt or allocate a bank deposit, you'll select the relevant service item. To create a service item, go to the Sales tab in QuickBooks, and then select Products and Services. Click New and choose Service. Give your product a clear name, e.g., Ultimate Ebook Guide, Mastering Social Media Course. You can also add a description and assign it to the appropriate income account you created earlier. 5. Utilizing classes and locations, optional but powerful. For those with multiple product lines or different sales channels, QuickBooks classes and locations features can provide even deeper insights. Classes. You could use classes to categorize your income by product type, e.g., ebooks, courses, templates. This allows you to run reports specifically for each class and see the overall performance of your different product categories. Locations. If you sell your digital products through different platforms or websites, you could use locations to track which channels are driving the most revenue. To use classes or locations, you'll need to enable them in your QuickBooks settings. Then, when you record income, you can assign the relevant class or location to the transaction. 6. Reconciling your accounts regularly. Just like your bank accounts, it's crucial to reconcile your income accounts in QuickBooks regularly. This involves comparing your QuickBooks records to the actual sales data from your platforms and payment processors. This helps identify any discrepancies and ensures the accuracy of your financial information. 7. Don't forget expenses. While this video is focused on income tracking, remember that understanding your profitability requires tracking your expenses as well. Be sure to categorize expenses related to the creation, marketing, and sale of your digital products, e.g., software subscriptions, advertising costs, affiliate commissions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.